We've just bought a Victorian house in London, so I thought I'd give you a little tour. From this very floral hallway, you go into the lounge. We've just moved in, so stuff is still kind of everywhere at the moment. It's a really nice bright room. Some of the original features are still intact, like this ceiling rose, although it's covered in 100 layers of paint. I love this curved bit of wall here, really cute. This joins on to what will be our office room. There were doors here, but we took them out to put new ones in, which we'll do soon. Then back into the hallway, into the current dining space, which we will be turning into a kitchen eventually. Gotta love a strip light. The current kitchen then joins onto this, very basic as you can see. Out of the kitchen you can access the garden. It has a really good sideways space and a nice grassy little bit of garden at the back. Loads of stuff here ready to go to the tip. Back inside now, this hallway wallpaper and carpet combo is everything. Upstairs the bathroom is straight ahead. This needs a lot of work, as you can see. There's half carpet, half tiles. Who knows what's going on in here? Separate loo, not much to say about that really, very 60s door. Up a few steps and this is one of the spare rooms. Hello cats, they love it in here. Currently using this as a little workspace at the moment. Me, not the cats obviously. More great wallpaper. Then this is our master bedroom, a really lovely big room, not awful decor wise, but we'll definitely need some zhuzhing. Definitely one of the rooms that sold us on the place. Then upstairs again to what I call the Beetlejuice room. Very creepy at the moment, and as you can see the roof needs repairing and basically everything needs doing in here. But it has a lot of potential as a space though. There is so much to do here throughout this whole house, but I'm really excited to get stuck in.